What's good? We're back at it again with another vlog. Today we're gonna be doing some things with the car. Finally, it's been a good, I don't know, maybe 2-3 weeks since I did something serious to this. It's a hot day here in San Jose. What better way to fix it with some dry ice? We're gonna be putting this dry ice in here and getting rid of all my sound deadening. Getting ready for the track because we're going to be putting a cage in here, so we want to get rid of as much weight as we can possible. And this dude right here is going to help me. Don't mind us sniffling though, we got mad allergies today. So we got the dry ice in the car, and within minutes you can already hear it popping and crackling and oh, I gotta stop cussing. Forgot.
It's a habit.
We made a little detour while the ice is chilling in my trunk. I am on iPhone footage right now. The GoPro is still back at the house. We're here at Wheelworks picking up wheels for Christian. He just got some new rubber for his RPFs. So yeah, let's check those out. So we picked up the new meat for the RPF ones. Super meaty on here. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. Yo, here's a quick update. Most of it worked. We barely had ice on that side, but it lifted super easily. The only reason why this side is a little harder is because there's glue underneath, so it makes it a lot tougher. Yeah, this isn't a quick job. So, y'all want to do it? Lose some weight? I think it's worth it. We'll see. Here's another update. Pretty much got everything in the trunk done besides the spare tire portion. Look inside on the ground. It's frosting up on the ground. Pretty cool. What's up, Chewy? What's up, boy? So, allergies are still messing us up. We're gonna take a much deserved break. But check this out first. I was tapping right here, and all of a sudden, all this dirt just piled out. I don't even know where that came from. It's probably like old owner. That is crazy.
You almost done?
All right, guys. So we just did the trunk, and yo, look at my eyes, dude. Tell me I'm not having these allergies super bad. I look high. I'm sorry, guys. Anyways. Oh, God. Anyways. We got the trunk done. Everything's done back there. I just need to go over it with a wire brush or a wire wheel. And everything should be good. As for these spots right here, we got them on the sides. I'm thinking to use an air duster, like those can air duster things, you know what I'm talking about, and just freezing them with that and then chiseling away at them. And as for the back seat portion, that's gonna be another day, man. It's gonna get dark soon. It looks sunny right now, but the sun is setting, so that's gonna be for another day. And at the end, I'm gonna weigh everything. Right now, just that trunk stuff doesn't feel like much weight. I'd say maybe like 5 to 10 pounds, but it's super light. Considering the whole car, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be that much, but weight is weight. Weight reduction is weight reduction. So, anyways, let's carry on to the next time we tackle this side. So here's a look at the fitment. The new tires Christian put on. What do y'all think? It looks just right. Here is how the car sounds now that there's no more sound deadening just in the trunk. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a little rev. You can hear it. A bit of a drone. we'll hear that while we're driving. So it's the next day. We're gonna be heading out to Christian's to pick up the dry ice in the daily today. But he's not gonna be helping me today, he's at work. So it's just gonna be a solo dolo day. Gonna hit up the rest of the back seat area with the dry ice. And hopefully finish before, I don't know, before 5 at least. Alright, let's get this day started. So another thing, my eye is extremely swollen. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yesterday's allergies messed me up. So hopefully the allergy medicine I take today is gonna help. But yeah, this is it right here. I used Kaiser allergy medicine and it still messed me up yesterday. Hopefully it works today. Alright, so we got the dry ice at Christian's. I've got my car set up here in the garage. A huge change of location. Hopefully my eyes won't get messed up. I won't be dripping boogies everywhere because of allergy season. There's not much tall grass here like Christian's house and trees and all that. Anyways, here's a little progress update. Pretty much need to go around this with a wire wheel or wire brush. Just get rid of all this glue here, vacuum all the little pieces. There are some pieces that fell, like in the back, in there, in the crevices and everything like that. So I do need to pick that up. And then today we're gonna be hitting up the back seat. So just pretty much anything right there. I'm not gonna go over here. I'm gonna keep the sound deadening in the front for now, because I'm lazy. Anyways, yeah, just the back. So yeah, let's get this started. Yo, so I had to make a quick trip to the store to pick up more dry ice, and while I was there, my GoPro fell into the dry ice. Luckily it was running out of battery, so it died while it was probably freezing. But yeah, I'm using it right now. Looks like it's working perfectly. Yeah. Well, here's a quick update. The rear seat, super easy. I literally just left the ice on there for like maybe 15 minutes. They came off in like big chunks, as you can see right here, huge chunks. So just letting this last part sit here and here, and I'll tackle it in about 5 minutes. Alright, should be done in almost no time. Oh, also forgot about these. I'm probably just gonna leave it there. I don't think it's much weight anyways, whatever, just maybe a pound, whatever. Super easy. I'll weigh just the rear portion of the sound deadening just to see if it's worth it. And if you guys want to tackle it yourselves, this is how to do it. Super easy stuff. Alright guys, we're gonna end this weekend's vlog here. I drove it again just to get some Starbucks just now, and it's super droney. You have no idea. But things are finally starting to move on with this car. Roll cage and seat delete coming soon. I think I'm gonna do the seat delete first, because when I match up the roll cage, I know exactly where to cut while the seat delete's in. So stay tuned. I'll be doing those soon with the help of Christian. Yeah, let's get it. Peace.